Hello, beautiful people. Are you looking for the best makeup products to achieve a bold and glamorous look? Well, look no further because today we are going to talk about some amazing makeup products that can help you achieve the look of your dreams. First up, we have the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This liner is perfect for creating those sharp and precise lines that are essential for a bold and glamorous look. It's also waterproof and smudge-proof, so you can dance the night away without worrying about your liner smudging or fading. Next, let's talk about the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This foundation provides a flawless, matte finish that is perfect for a bold and glamorous look. It comes in a variety of shades to suit all skin tones and is long-lasting, so you don't have to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. Moving on to eyes, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. This palette features a range of neutral shades that can be used to create both subtle and more dramatic looks. The shadows are highly pigmented and easy to blend, making it a must-have for any makeup collection. Of course, we can't forget about lipstick. For a bold and glamorous look, we recommend the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. This lipstick dries down to a matte finish and provides full coverage in just one swipe. It's long-lasting, so you can wear it all day without worrying about touch-ups, and comes in a variety of bold shades. Last but not least, we have the Huda Beauty Samantha Lashes. These lashes are perfect for adding that extra bit of glam to any look. They are made from high-quality synthetic fibers that mimic the look and feel of real hair, and are reusable, making them a great investment for any makeup lover. And there you have it, folks. Our top picks for the best makeup products to achieve a bold and glamorous look. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.